Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 4, Exogenetic Movement part 2. Last lecture we have seen means work of the wind and landforms. Means when that work of the wind will form in the deserted area and semi-arid region. And means in this area mechanical weathering created in a large scale. And when that wind is blowing with a large scale, that time with a great speed, that time some sand particles that transported, and when the wind speed is low, that time that accumulate in a means that sand particles accumulate in a one when wind speed is reduced, means that sand particle is deposited there. And like this way, this erosion, transportation and deposition work is over there. Now see, first we are going to see erosional work of wind. Wind carries small sand particles, small pebbles, etc. When winds blowing, that time what the wind carries? Small sand particles. Okay, small sand particles. तो जो वालू के छोटे कण है वो विंड के साथ फ्लोइंग होते हैं. स्मॉल पेबल्स ऑल्सो मीन्स सम स्मॉल पेबल छोटे स्मॉल पेबल्स मतलब छोटे छोटे वालू के कण. Along with it, these particles cause erosion along rocks coming in the way due to friction. And these particles cause erosion along rocks, means when winds blowing, that time these particles cause erosion, means erosion of rocks. Rocks means come in the way of the wind, and that way that rocks eroded because of that sand particles, because of that पेबल्स. ओके, मतलब वारा जब विंड्स जब बहता है तब मतलब वारा ज्यावेळेस वाहतो त्यावेळेस काय होतं, सँड पार्टिकल्स म्हणजे वाळूचे कण किंवा छोटे खडे हे वाऱ्याबरोबर वाहतात. आणि ज्यावेळेस वारा वाहताना मध्ये जे रॉक्स किंवा खडक येतात त्यावेळेस ते इरोड होतात, म्हणजे ते झिजतात त्या पेबल्समुळे. ओके, दिस लीड्स टू फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मशरूम रॉक्स. सी हिअर, means because of that means that landform is created there, mushroom rock. See, means here it's a rock, big rock, and means that sand particles that get stuck here, and because of that rock is eroded here in the downside, and upside it look same. Here it eroded. Okay, and that means after the erosion of that rock on the down and upside it remain, and that means because that pebbles or that sand particles, it's not flowing from upside, it's flowing from the near the land. Okay, with wind, and that time that rocks downside part is eroded and mushroom rock is formed. It's look like a mushroom, and that's why it is known as mushroom rock. Okay, it is look like a mushroom rock. Then defaultation, hollows and yardangs. Means defaultation means reduction. Okay, reduction, hollows. Hollows, see, here is not given the picture of hollows, but these are created because of the erosion work of wind. Yardang also, see, here is given the picture of yardang. See, yardang means when winds blowing, some part is means some part of the land it is eroded, and some part is it remain, and eroded part is means down, means it reduction. See, means it's a reduce of the land, and it is means down, and where there is not eroded that part is up, means it's look like a yardang. That's why it is known as yardang. Okay. see that direction of wind. And okay, like this way it is means erosion work of wind. Tomorrow we will learn the deposition work of wind. Thank you.